What's going on, everybody? This is Demetrius Harris, your DAC funding broker, and on this channel, I help business owners get access to funding in all types of industries. If you own a salon, hair salon, beauty salon, styling studio, or personal care business and need money for equipment, payroll, inventory, operations, or growth, this video is for you. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more funding content. Let's get into it. A lot of salon owners are bringing in clients, building strong brands, and generating revenue, but they still run into cash flow pressure when it is time to cover payroll, restock products, upgrade equipment, improve the salon, market the business, or expand. In this video, I'm going to break down how salon business funding works, what lenders usually look for, common mistakes to avoid, and how the right capital may help your salon grow stronger. Let's start with the reality of running a salon business. This industry takes capital to operate. You have payroll, rent, utilities, hair products, styling tools, color inventory, software, insurance, marketing, furniture, and daily operating costs. On top of that, many salon owners need money for salon chairs, shampoo stations, dryers, lighting, mirrors, front desk setup, POS systems, decor, signage, and location upgrades. Even when client flow is steady, these expenses can still put pressure on cash flow. That is why access to funding can make such a major difference. There are many reasons salon owners seek funding. Some need money for payroll. Some need working capital for daily operations. Others need funds for products, color inventory, salon furniture, equipment, staffing, marketing, renovations, booth expansion, or opening another location. Some salon owners need funding to stabilize operations. Others need it because they are ready to grow. The right funding can help with both. One of the biggest challenges in the salon business is timing. Clients may be coming in and services may be booked, but expenses still hit before every dollar is available where you need it. Payroll still has to be covered, products still have to be restocked, rent still has to be paid, equipment still needs maintenance. Marketing still costs money, so even a profitable salon can feel pressure on cash flow. Funding can help bridge that gap and keep the business moving without interruption. One of the most important types of funding for salons is working capital. Working capital is flexible funding that can be used for day-to-day business expenses. That may include payroll, rent, utilities, products, inventory, marketing, insurance, repairs, and general operations. This can be extremely important because salons often need strong cash flow to support appointments, keep products in stock, and maintain a consistent client experience. Working capital helps create breathing room and stability. Some salons also need funding specifically for equipment and upgrades. That may include styling chairs, dryers, wash stations, mirrors, treatment equipment, front desk furniture, shelving, lighting, sound systems, and digital booking for payment systems. Equipment funding can help you get what your salon needs without paying the full cost all at once. That helps protect cash flow while still allowing you to improve the customer experience and support growth. Salon businesses need steady access to products, color, shampoos, conditioners, treatments, extensions, and retail items. These are not optional costs, they are part of delivering service consistently and professionally. As client volume grows, those expenses grow too. If you do not have enough capital to keep inventory stocked, service quality can suffer and revenue opportunities can be lost. Funding can help keep your salon stocked and ready without draining your cash reserves. Another major challenge in the salon business is staffing. If you want to add more stylists, assistants, front desk support, or expand services, you may need more people. But payroll comes before the full return from growth always shows up. That is why staff expansion can create pressure on cash flow. Funding can help support staffing growth without putting the whole salon under stress. Growth takes money. Maybe you want to remodel your salon, add more stations, upgrade your brand, improve marketing, expand service offerings, or open another location. Expansion usually means more expenses before the full return shows up. That is why access to funding can be such a major advantage. It helps salon owners move on opportunities instead of missing them because of limited capital. Now, let's talk about what lenders usually look for when reviewing a salon business for funding. First, they often look at time in business. Second, they look at monthly revenue and whether deposits are consistent. Third, they may review your cash flow, bank activity, existing debt, and personal credit profile. The key thing to understand is that lenders usually look at the full business picture, not just one factor by itself. A lot of salon owners think if their credit is not perfect, they do not have a chance. That is not always true. Credit matters, but so do revenue, deposits, time in business, cash flow, and overall business strength. So if your salon is bringing in steady revenue and showing real business activity, you may still have options available. That is why it is important not to count yourself out too early. One of the biggest mistakes salon owners make is waiting too long. They wait until products are low, payrolls gets tight, the salon needs upgrades, or a growth opportunity is already slipping away. Another mistake is not knowing their numbers. You should know your monthly revenue, major expenses, debt obligations, and exactly what the funding will be used for. Other mistakes include mixing business and personal finances, too many overdrafts, weak record keeping, and applying for the wrong type of funding. If you want to improve your approval odds, keep your business deposits consistent. Separate business and personal finances. Reduce overdrafts and negative bank activity. Keep your records organized. Know your average monthly revenue. Have a clear use for the funds, and do not wait until your business is already under heavy pressure before exploring options. Salon owners who prepare early usually put themselves in a stronger position. Let's say your salon is growing, but you need more chairs, stronger inventory, better marketing, and more payroll support to keep up. Funding may help you make those moves without draining your operating cash. Or maybe you want to renovate the salon, add more stylists, or open another location, but you need capital first. The right funding may help you move on that opportunity with more confidence. The right funding can help a salon business grow in a major way. It can help you upgrade equipment, stock more inventory, support payroll, strengthen cash flow, improve the customer experience, add services, expand your team, and open up bigger opportunities. It can also help you avoid slowing down growth just because you do not have enough capital to support it. When used strategically, funding can help move your salon from just maintaining operations to scaling with confidence. At the end of the day, salon business funding can be a powerful tool when used the right way. Whether you need money for payroll, equipment, products, working capital, operations, or growth, the key is understanding your options and positioning your business the right way. Funding should not only be looked at as a last resort, it can also be a smart strategy to strengthen your operation and support long-term growth. If you own a salon and need funding for payroll, equipment, products, operations, or growth, check the link in the description to see what options may be available for your business. And make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more funding content. And I will see you in the next video.